What's up, guys? I am fishing a lake I have very little experience with, but I'm slowly starting to catch bait using my normal sliding bobber rig. As you can probably tell, it's really windy, so I'm way back in this cove trying to stay out of it. These guys are like way in there. I think I have about 5 pretty good sized bluegill in the bucket. A couple other pretty small ones. Yeah, they're like way over there. I started catching a couple here, but like right away they just got spooked. So these guys are way over there, and they're pretty hard to catch too. Seems like every time I catch like 2 or 3 in one little spot, then they pretty much shut off and I have to fish a new spot. It's getting kind of annoying. You can see that wind is right there. I have like this really small little hole that I'm trying to stay in. Main lake is horrible right now. There's one little one, I think. He's decent, actually. Yeah, that's bait. Got pretty cool colors right now. The orange and tealish mouth area. Kind of see what I'm working with. I have like 5 or something, 6 that are pretty good sized. Kind of what I'm doing is I'm watching the wind slowly move it over, so if it ever stops or goes in the other direction, I know a fish is on it. It's a pretty good sized largemouth bass right there. Kind of hard to see. It's probably 3 pounds or so. Sight fish this one. He's way bigger than I thought, man. Some of these are actually really big because he wasn't a very big one out of the pile. Here's a good one. Sweet. The only reason I'm even fishing in here is because the wind is so bad. It's like the only place that I don't have to constantly be paddling to stay in place. God. I knew that was gonna get bit. And I knew he was gonna steal my bait. So you can see, it's really windy, and where I'm trying to fish is gonna be way too deep for this time of year. Because the river channel hugs this side, which I didn't know. So I have to go all the way back through the wind and then go to my Jeep and try and find a spot after that. So it's going to be a whole lot of fun. Alright, so it's about 5 o'clock now. I think I left that other spot at like 3 or something, so it took me probably close to an hour just to get back to my Jeep, load everything up, and then finally came over here. I've been here for about 15 minutes or something, and there's no way I'm gonna go anywhere else because of the wind, but whatever, I'm gonna try it anyway. I'm gonna try and get some more bluegill too. The wind has been weird. It's been a constant flow, but it keeps like changing direction. Yep. Yep. What clutch was that? Let's go. Friggin' threw him all the way on shore. Love the wind. Bring it on. There's one though. Oh. I think that was a smallmouth too. I'm pissed. Dang it. I wanted that one. Straight into another one. Oh, he got off. Man, it's 0 for 2 and 2 casts. That's what happened. Can bit my jig off. Alright, got another little jig on. Hopefully we can get a couple more little ones or big ones or whatever. I don't really care, I just want to catch stuff. There's one. Little one. A little better than the other one though. Little chunk. Yeah. Yeah. Feels okay. Like a teen. Can't tell, I'm pulling him up a bunch of weeds.
Dude, you could see it on the grass when you were out there.
Oh, I know, I was like, dang.
Look at that fucking forest.
Yeah, I went like just on the outside of that.
Same there. Yeah. Look.
What is that? Yeah, it's a little flat. Like a 10. Yeah. There we go. Yeah. A bluegill sitting right there. Yeah.
So, is that still alive?
The bluegill?
Yeah.
Probably. Yeah, see it? Look. Right there.
Oh my god.
It's hooked right in the corner of the mouth. There we go. Yeah, like 10 maybe. Yeah, that was like that really big bluegill. I'll just let him have it. We have enough.
Ew, he was really slimy though.
10.62 pounds. Beast. He swallowed that bluegill too.
Did he?
Look at that, just the tail's hanging out. That was a big bluegill. Jeez. Hey Eric, I just missed one. Yeah, the same rod just freaking went out. I think he's on there. Maybe.
Yeah, turn on my light sometime.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. Straight into weeds.
Is it bigger than the last one?
There's a lot more weeds, I know that much. Dude, this is all
Beast.
weed weight, dude. He's not even fighting anymore.
It's gonna be like a 5-pounder just
Yeah,
covered in
probably.
30 pounds of weeds.
Yeah. Really small one.
Oh, it's gonna get that bluegill in his mouth.
I know, it's probably trying for a while.
You almost had a heart attack. Jesus, that's a lot of weeds.
He's hooked good. Little baby. He's really small.
That's cool.
Yeah. Yeah, he's 5. Like exactly 5, basically.
Nice.
5-pounder, 5.04. It's a PB right there. I bet that bluegill's sitting in his stomach. Right there.
Grab him, Ricky.
That one, yeah.